You can also shop over 4,000 more cars and trucks online at edmartin.com.
Stop by and take a look at the 2006 Canyon. With one of the most powerful standard 4-cylinder engines in the class, the Canyon lets you enjoy 18 city, 25 highway EPA estimated MPG and is engineered to absorb the bumps, handle the curves, supply superb traction, and provide seating for 5, and is priced below $10,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, aluminum wheels, floor mats, 4-wheel drive, cruise control. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.
9 convenient locations, 12 top-selling brands, and over 4,000 new and used cars and trucks online at edmartin.com. Ed Martin is the only name you need to know.